Now see, second example, the big example that is for 4 mark. Two example I will solve from this exercise. Again I will send photocopy. You have to solve and then you have to check from that PDF and send. Now here in this example, two circle touches externally. P and Q are the center of circles. Okay. Now using this we have to prove segment AP, this one AP is parallel to BQ, and triangle APR similar to RQB, and then you have to find measure RQB when PAR is 35. One by one we will see. First we have to see AP, we have to show AP is parallel to BQ. Now we know when we have to show two segments are parallel, three tests are there. Any one of them you have to use and then show it. First one, alternate angle test. If alternate angle is congruent, then parallel, and corresponding angle test, and then interior angle are supplementary. So which test we can apply here, you have to think, and then you have to find the proper theorem. So we will see now in triangle APR. If you see this triangle, here these two segments congruent. See AP and PR. AP and PR. Why? Because radii of same circle radius so congruent. So that's why these two angles are congruent, PAR and PRQ, because this is isosceles. We know that base angles are congruent. Here we written reason as isosceles angle theorem. Suppose this is first. Similarly in triangle RQB, these two are the radii, same circle. Again these two are congruent, so base angles are congruent. This is second. Here also same reason, isosceles triangle theorem. See, this angle we show congruent, then this angle we show congruent by isosceles triangle theorem, because these two segments are congruent, two side congruent, then that is isosceles. This is first and second. And one more thing is here, if we see these two angles, these two also congruent, we know, because vertically opposite angles. This is suppose third. Now see, we have shown in first these two angles are congruent, second these two are congruent, and third we shown these two are congruent. Means all angles are congruent. This congruent to this congruent to this congruent to this. So we take up these two angles only. See here this one and this one. Means R or PAR we taken, and RBQ or QBR. See PAR and QBR, because already all these angles are congruent. This congruent to this one congruent to this, and this one congruent to this. So this is also congruent by transitivity. So if these two angles are congruent, see, like this segment, if these two are congruent, so what type of angles? Alternate angles. So directly you can say that segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. Here you have to write the reason. Reasons are very important. And alternate angle test. Then second one, we have to show these two triangles are similar. That is simple, because in this two triangle already we shown these two angles are congruent, vertically opposite. In first now we shown now here these two angles are congruent. Then write that from third and fourth. Fourth we shown this one, and third we shown this vertically. Two pairs of angles are congruent. Then we can say these two triangles are similar by AA test. Now second also proof. Simple thing. See, proof is very simple. You have to go. This is application based example. Then you have to find PAR given 35. This is 35. Then you have to find what is this angle. Now we know if this is 35, then this is 35. This one also 35, because all these angles are congruent. No? So if on this 35, then this one 35, this one, then this one vertically, this one and this one congruent, so 35. But we want this angle. So in triangle QRB, take the addition of these three angles. We know triangle addition, angle addition is 180, angle addition property. So now here we have to write this QRB is 35, this is 35, this is 35. Okay, and then we have to find RQB. Here we written reason, these two angles are congruent, because in second already we shown this one, QRB and QB are congruent. So now 35 plus 35, 70. When 70 goes that side, minus. So 180 minus 70 is what? 110. So study this example properly, big examples, try it, solve again and again, and write in your notebook, and I will send photocopy, solve that remaining example from the exercise.